Ond dyma'r golwyn yn Clac, heibio'r golwr Clac! Seintiau ar y blaen. 9 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Ben Clac i 8fed gôl y tymor hwn.
A'r bas yn holli'r amddiffyn ar Ben Clac yn amseru i'r ediad yn berffaith. A'r golwr, mi nath o jyst dangos ddo fynd i'r chwith ac dangos gormod o ledd efo, ac oedd hi'n hawdd i Ben Clac.
Dechrau da iddyn nhw o fewn 10 munud. Harrington, wanta, beth i penderfyniad y dyfarnwr yn fan hyn, pa liw ydy'r cerdyn. Cerdyn coch! Mae yna cerdyn coch i Ryan Harrington y Seintiau Newydd. Efo llai na 20 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. I lawr i 10 dyn. Camgymeriad gan Ryan Harrington. Wel, penderfyniad mawr gan y dyfarnwr. 3 munud o'r ail hanner wedi chwarae. A hwnna wedyn, be ddigwyddodd fan'na, gafodd o'i dynnu lawr. Wel, dyna maen nhw'n hawlio.
Yn y gweld yma, mae i frichau fe, mae hwnna'n gyn Corsmotyn. Mae hwnna'n gyn Corsmotyn. Mae'n llusgo Cestyn Davies i'r llawr o fan'na. Dwi'n meddwl bod dyfarnwr wedi cael y penderfyniad yna yn hollol anghywir.
Sislovec, dyna'r ail. Dyna chi sut i orffen symudiad. Adrian Sislovec i 8fed gôl y tymor hwn.
Ia, dim gobaith i'r golwr. Eto Ben Clark yn ei chanol i bas o iawn i gan y cae. Wedyn brobl allan i Sislovec. Burns ddim yn gael lawr i gan cyflym. Ac fel ti fod yr ergyd ar draws wyneb y gôl. Ac os ddim di mewn ar y postyn pella, gwych. Ac dyna nath i.
Ac ymlaen am i ymddangosiad ola yn lifrau y Seintiau Newydd. Prif sgoriwr holl hanes y Seintiau Newydd efo 165 o goliau. Greg Draper, 10 munud sydd ar ôl wrth i'r Bala. Mosod lawr ochr chwith, mae hefo Leslie Smith. Kieran Smith arbediad da gan Paul Harrison. A'r chwiban ola yn cael ei chwythu gan Mr Griffith. Wel, siom i Anthony Limbrick. Cei Conna ydy'r pencampwyr. Seintiau Newydd yn gorffen yn ail. Sgôr terfynol yma neuadd y parc. Y Seintiau Newydd 2, y Bala dim.
Anthony, you had to do what you had to do, but just not enough.
Yeah, well, listen, we can only do what we can do, and we've done that in the last 3 games. We knew after the draw 0-0 away, which was actually a very good performance against Connah's Quay, we just couldn't get that goal, that it was out of our hands, and we've kept our end of the bargain. We've won the last 3 games, 3-0, 3-0, 2-0, and today to win 2-0 with a man sent off so early, which would probably be debatable, I would say, whether he was last man or not. I've watched it back, and I think it was a disappointing decision, if I'm honest. I think the centre-half was probably just going to cover it. I think it was an outstanding performance today from our players to keep a clean sheet, get the second goal. We had to change a few things at half-time. I think they did great today, and that's all they could have done. So fair play to the players today.
Cole, your reaction to that performance and result?
I thought we played very, very well in the first half. I know the sending off affected the game. I thought we dominated possession, totally dominated the game in the first half. Lacked quality in the final third. Our forward 3 didn't really do it, but yeah, and we needed a little bit like that. And when you look at the game, you know, even with 10 men, they still should cause us problems, but they didn't really. Harry hasn't had the save to make, but Paul Harrison's only made 3 or 4 saves late on in the game, so we didn't do enough to go and win it. But defensively and everywhere around the pitch, we did really well. But where it matters, we didn't do enough to go and get the goals.
Were you aware what was going on in Penabont?
Yeah, we kept an eye on the score. I had some people looking at it for me in the staff, so we sort of knew where we were there. And look, it's disappointing, but congratulations to Andy there, and congratulations to Connah's Quay, and whoever finishes top of the table deserves it, and they certainly do this season, and we'll have a right go and try and win it back next year.
Summed the season up finally for us, Cole. Successful season.
Absolutely outstanding season from everybody involved with the club. Through the COVID, and you know, it's been difficult getting to grounds, testing, training. It's been difficult, and our ultimate goal was to get European football, and we train 1 night a week, and it's a massive success for us. People will look back and say we should do more than that. People don't understand budgets and things, so for what we've done this season, and I think it's 7 out of the last 9 years. It's unbelievable from where we come from. So where we started off just in the Wrexham area. So it's great to be involved in, and hopefully we can have more memories like we had in Malta and Standard Liège. And fly the flag for Welsh football.